I'm interested to hear now from the Mashayikh, what is your coping mechanism when you face personal challenges that maybe can benefit people? I was walking down the foyer a little while earlier, and I saw a sister, may Allah bless her and grant her health. She was a little bit limping, just like myself. And I immediately, unconsciously, I actually greeted the sister, how are you feeling? And then she shared with me what she went through, and I offered her my book. I told her that this is something maybe can help you to cope. So what would you advise maybe, or what coping mechanism you use for yourself when you face personal challenges?
Yes, Allah, I'll just be very quick. I just hit the floor, do a sajda, and I cry to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, let all my emotions out. And ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to assist me and help me. And I say, I leave my problem with you, Ya Allah. And whatever the outcome, I accept it and I will try my best. But I'm taking it off me and giving it to you, my Lord. Because I trust whatever happens, and I'll be brave. You need to be brave. And inshallah, whatever happens out of this, I'm going to accept it and I'm going to get through it, and I know it's going to be good. It's all a mindset, inshallah ta'ala. Just a very quick one about how I dealt with it.